Today I'm going to be talking about popular beauty gurus in the YouTube community. I'm going to explore the different types of videos they make and the different reactions that their subscribers and followers have. For those of you who watch these creators, know that there are many makeup artists always posting videos on their channels. We're going to find out if these videos are to create a simulation of the look or merely for entertainment purposes.
Okay. M506, my favorite precise blending brush, and go to town.
Okay, that's not that horrible. What if I grab like a regular Morphe brush? Okay, that's not horrible. It's like that.
Barely dipping in, and there's a lot of fallout. Not the end of the world, but, and then I hit it once, all the product's gone. So I don't know if it's the ingredients or what, but let's blend this out.
We are going to focus today on James Charles,
Hi sisters, James Charles here and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Nikki Tutorials,
Hello guys, it's me, Nikki. Hello.
and finally Jeffree Star.
What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Hi, how the hell are you doing?
I'm going to be talking about 3 different types of videos that these creators make. There are the Get Ready With Me's, where the creator talks about their day or anything interesting going on within their own lives.
Here we go. Like I said, they found new cancer in his leg. It's a tumor. Basically, the type of cancer my little brother has is a cancer that doesn't happen a lot. What we found out was, I don't know the word in English, but you can get chemo and you can get like radiation.
In the tutorials, they are specific about naming all of the products they are using and showing the audience.
Several alternatives you could use for the shadow, but I'm going to grab the shade 52M Golden Beige on the same shadow brush. I'm going to quickly grab my R39 and dip into Real Gar and just, whoa. Okay, apparently I'm really going to dip into Real Gar. Okay, and I'm going to blend that line out.
And there are tea videos, and the creators are gossiping while they do their makeup.
So a lot of you are going, okay, is there any more tea? Of course there is. So I was scrolling and on my sidebar the other day, there was a drama channel that covered something and it was like, Kat Von D came for Jeffree Star. And I'm like, you recently got married, I guess. You're pregnant. All these things are happening and you're still concerned with me? You're still concerned with me?
With these types of videos, their audience all takes away something different. In the Get Ready With Me video, these were the top comments. As you notice, the comments are specifically asking questions and commenting on the creator's life, including, hope your brother gets well soon, and I wish your brother well. In the tutorial video, the comments were mostly talking about how the final makeup looked or how great the look was put together, including some comments saying, I got so inspired, and that highlight though. In the tea spilling video, you can notice how people just comment more about the drama and gossip that is going around. As you can see, there are different types of makeup videos. Some creators are trying to promote their viewers to recreate their looks.
Once I'm this far, it's like glitter time. It's very difficult to just end the glitter. I want to keep glittering.
While other creators are just trying to entertain their subscribers with drama or stories.
I'm like, you guys, where's the fucking pigment? Yeah, it's not really sticking onto my brush. I'm like, I'm not disregarding this, you guys. It's just not for me. It's like so basic. Not obsessed. And I look a little dry. I don't recommend. Are these brushes Jeffree Star approved? They're not.
Not all makeup videos want you to try and recreate the look. How the creator talks within the video is a good hint to use if they want you to recreate their look or not. Depending on the video should depend on how you should comment on the videos. If the video is a Get Ready With Me, you should comment on the things they talk about within the video. If the video is a tutorial and the creator pays specific attention to the products they use, you should be more interested in the makeup and art behind it. If the video is a tea spilling video, you should comment about the gossip that is being talked about.